Hello, welcome to Mr. Bird's vocabulary class. Today's word is ambulance. 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 The first syllable has a short A sound. Am. Am. The second syllable is boo. Boo. The last syllable is lens. Lens. The stress is on the first syllable. Ambulance. Ambulance. Now, let the show begin. Ouch! I think my trunk is broken. Can you call an ambulance? What is an ambulance? An ambulance is a vehicle that can take people who are seriously ill to hospitals. In an ambulance, there are paramedics who begin treatment. Okay, I'll call an ambulance. Hello, I need an ambulance for my friend Elephant. Adjective form for ambulance is ambulant, which means a patient is able to walk around. Now, do you know the meaning of ambulance? To learn more new words, please visit dictionary.video.